In order to test our LoSPAN service, tester A should register the device of tester B. Tester B should register the device of tester A. To register the device, you should go to setting menu and move to register device, and you can register the device from this button, and you can see this window, small window, and enter the name whatever you want and enter the address of device B, and you can see the address back on the device. Also, there is option window. Click here. You can see the 4 options, but you don't have a MeSi door and MeSi lights, so you can use only 2 service, which are GPS tracker and message. I'm gonna click GPS tracker and OK. So you can see the GPS tracker, it was registered. And then I also registered the device for using message. Enter the name, test, and put the same address. And choose message service. Okay, now you can use GPS tracker and message.